this way. I'm a dreamer died by light of day. Gonna hold up half the sky and say, only our own man. I feel my heart beating. I feel my heart underneath my skin. Oh, I can feel my heart.
It is therefore my duty, my privilege, and indeed my very, very great pleasure to announce that from this moment on, you are husband and wife together. And Alex, would you like to give your wife a kiss?